Hi guys, and welcome yet to another video to SEPA Channel. Today we have a review of an item which we bought from Temo. It's a digital voltage display, which is basically a voltmeter, and it has an LED display. It works from 4.5 volts to up to 30 volts. It can come in three colors. To be honest, I forgot which one this is. So we will open it. This is how it comes in the box. Actually, from Temo we have some instruction. It says the model here, who is manufacturer, and obviously it's in Shenzhen. It can't be different. Rated voltage, as I said, 4.5 to 30 volts. I have a feeling that it can go a little bit over that. Maybe 36 or similar, but I wouldn't push it. We have a little bit of paper with some instruction. It's a product manual. Apparently, it's literally one page, which is very tiny. And it says the test voltage cannot exceed 30 volts. Again, they insist on that. Red, it's for plus, black, it's for minus. That's pretty standard. Okay, so I'll put this back and put it aside. And this is the item itself. It's well packaged. This is a special kind of film that they use to pack electronics in. If you ever built your own PC, you would have noticed that your CPU came in something like this. Put it aside as well. So this is the display itself. I have a feeling that it's this way, like this. It has this big stuff in here. I will just take it, and you see the leads are basically protected by these two pieces of wire which have been left after they have been stripped. Let's just swirl around a little bit. Okay, so as per user manual, red is for plus and black is for minus. And let's test it. I have here a power supply, and it should be 12 volts. We will see how well it will measure that. So as you can see, it works, and it's 12.2, and I guess that's pretty accurate if you ask me. I would test it with also with a voltmeter, just to show you the difference. So let me take this away, and I will put a standard voltmeter in here. We will set it to continuous volts, and we will test the power supply to see if there is any difference in between what it was shown on there and here. Actually, see, this is a bit more exact, and it's 12.3. You can actually expect a bit of an error. Actually, it's not an error, it's a special term used for that. But yeah, so the power supply comes at 12.33, and our little display measured 12.2. I would say that's not bad. And the colors, the red is quite bright, and it was something like 1 pound or something like that. It looks pretty neat in the back. If you want to see, it has like this processor. Again, on the back it says 4.5 to 30 volts. That was about it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you didn't already, and like the video, share. Bye guys.